Jump!
In this video, I'm going to take you guys with me to our adventures in Crete, Greece, and give you guys some things to do. So we started off our journey in our Airbnb in Chania, Greece. Our hosts were very nice and gave us some rockier lion's milk, which we found out is some traditional Greek beverage that is offered in a lot of places. We got some free rocky from a lot of restaurants and hostels we went to, and it's really amazing. Definitely recommend you guys try it. And after that, we went to explore the nightlife and all the street food around Old Town Chania. Definitely recommend you guys walk around this area, especially at the nighttime. There's so many street foods, trucks, stalls, restaurants everywhere. I definitely recommend you guys have to try the gyros here. And this is my footage walking around the Old Town markets of Chania. Definitely a lot of things to do. It's a very lively, robust area. A bunch of people out and about. Didn't get much footage there, but definitely try the Greek salads and the gyros from anywhere you can find it. I promise you, you cannot go wrong. And yeah, this is some traditional Greek beer that we tried as well. You can find those everywhere throughout Chania as well. And this is another restaurant on the beach you guys could go to. Definitely the prices weren't too steep to eat at the restaurants near the beaches in Greece, because there's a lot of those everywhere. Again, this is us eating some lunch right outside of this beach, and that's where we went to next, which I recommend you guys do, is go to the Agia Marina Beach, which is a touristy and commercial type beach right next to Chania. It was only a couple minute bus ride away, but yeah, as you can see, I was in full vacation mode. This beach was more of like one of those tourist vacation area types. As you can see, there's like a bunch of bars on the sides where you guys get a drink, cocktail, and then relax on the umbrella chairs outside. But yeah, I could say it's for anywhere in Greece, but definitely just appreciate the sunset on the beach or anywhere else in Crete. It's just really intense and unlike anything I've seen before, and that says a lot because I've seen a lot of sunsets in California, and those are really nice as well. Now after that, we took a little bit longer bus ride on the next day. We went through some windy hills and mountains. We saw a bunch of mountain goats. Yeah, this is a little bit harder to get to, but this beach is called Elafonissi Beach, and it's definitely one of the best beaches I've been to in the world. And yeah, the reason why it's so nice because there wasn't that many people there. It wasn't the same type of beach as Agia Marina. There wasn't any resorts, hotels next to it. It was just a secluded beach. If anything, there's just a couple umbrellas that they charged to sit at. There weren't any like restaurants or bars really around there. But this beach is known for the pink sand. It's kind of hard to see right here in this video, but in certain seasons, the hue of pink in the sand is more intense than others. Apparently, we didn't go on one of those seasons, but you can still see a little bit of pinkish. And the water is just very blue, clear, and amazing. Anyways, the beach is just amazing in its own right. Yeah, and we spent about a couple hours there. Yeah, the water is just really blue, white rocks and sands, and mountains, rocks surrounding the beach. It was really secluded, not that many people at all. And yeah, we had a really nice day there. Definitely my favorite beach in Crete. Elafonissi, definitely recommend you guys go there. Yeah, so that was our last couple days that we spent in Chania, Greece area. Just went to a couple beaches and just explored the old town of Chania. And then after that, we went to our next destination, which is like a couple hour bus ride away from Chania, which is Heraklion. And this is our hostel. It was one of the nicest we've been to. It was really neat and everything. We had a terrific view. Like I said, the sunset is just amazing. Yeah, unlike anything I've seen, the city is just beautiful. A port city right next to all the docks and the beach. It wasn't really like a beach to swim in, it's more of a dock for boats. But yeah, just a really beautiful city. And after that, we went to dinner. We got some Italian food in the old town of Heraklion, and we explored around the old town as well. It was just really nice, rustic little village in Heraklion. And yeah, that was nice. And then the next morning, we only spent a day there because next morning we went to what we came here for, which was the dock. This is one of like the biggest docks in Crete, which is in Heraklion, and these boats take you to any other island you guys want. We particularly went to Santorini, but yeah, you guys could go to any other island, Porgos, I can't even name off the top of my head, but yeah, that's what we did. And yeah, definitely if you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. comment if you guys have any tips for me, and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos from me. Thanks.